Hi, so today I'll be putting this implant, the breast implant, to test. A lot of women come to us asking, Doctor, is breast implant durable? Will it rupture? And I tell them that you do whatever with them, you press them, it's not going to rupture. We use top quality implants. Today I'm going to test this implant in front of this tire, in this car, in front of you, live. And I'll show you that this implant will not rupture. The implants which we use are top quality implants. Even if you press them, squeeze them, they retain their original shape. Let's put this implant in front of tire. Pause this video. What do you think? Will this implant rupture or will it not? Think about it and then go ahead. Let's do it. So, if you can see this, there's not a single rupture. A 2-ton car went over it and there is no problem. That's the quality of breast implants we use. Never compromise on the quality of implants. They come in different shapes and sizes. Discuss with your plastic surgeon today.